That looks good right there. Thank you.
My name is John Nichols. I'm the director of the diesel department here at Ohio Technical College. Thanks to Rush Truck for donating this A26 to the college. This means an immense amount to the program. We're not only going to be able to teach the students about this particular engine, but we're going to be able to dive in deeper with the electronics and the modern electronic system sensors and things like that. Just some communication between us and their corporation about how we could better serve them as an employer of our students. And the turnaround on that was, this is the engine that they're training on, they use in their fleet. It made sense for them to donate something like that so we could train our students on how to work on their equipment before they even get to them, so it becomes a better employee on their end. It works out for us because we have a more rounded student and they have a better, more rounded employee. Donations like this from our partners like Rush Trucking that makes the advanced training of our students possible.
My name is Tim Zatek. I'm the service manager at rushtruckcenter Cleveland. This is an international A26 engine that's in the new LT chassis, HX chassis, RV chassis, the newest engine that Navistar has. We were at the career fair here in January and started a relationship from there. And as you see today, we're able to donate an engine. This engine has the most up-to-date emission systems on it that help the young techs that are learning. That's the most important part of the business right now. And the majority of the repairs that we see now are emission-based. So with having the most recent engine with the most recent emission system, it's going to put them ahead. It can go anywhere within the Rush organization. We have a mentor program. We're trying to take younger techs, teach them hands-on. We have online training. We send them out to training. Rush has over 100 locations across the country and now up into Canada. We hope this donation gets the students here at OTC the access to the most recent technology available.